Yeah, so ZYC Energy is a battery manufacturer for over 10 years experience. And zero yield carbon is our mission to have the zero carbon in every single house with the ZYC batteries. And we do have the local tech support, local warehouse, and the local distributors. ZYC Australia have the full coverage, the full support for our customer. Yeah, sure. So it's a pretty good opportunity for us to exhibit our the key product which we're targeting for residential market, and also we have the product for the off-grid market as well. And the product we're offering for resi is the high voltage stackable batteries, and each battery module is a 3.2, and you can have from minimum 6.4 kilowatt hour, you can go up to 28.8. You can even to have the multiple stacks in parallel. So which give it the popular size 50 kilowatt hours, which two stacks and it's compatible with a range of inverters in the market, which is a good way solid the year, and one person can install, and happy days. Yeah, it's fantastic. Yeah, I mean, like, we've already done two road shows in Adelaide and then Melbourne, and this one in Sydney. So I think it's pretty good platform for us to be involved, and we're pretty happy. We also the membership for Smart Energy. I think that give us a platform we can communicate with a lot of installers. We do have quite a few interested leads from those last two road shows. So I think yeah, it's pretty good event, and then we hope to do more in the future.